Hey you guys, it's MJ and welcome back to Pet Adventures again. Today I am at my local park. It's a beautiful view out here. I don't come here often. I used to come here a lot more, but today we are going to try to feed some squirrels. Wish me luck today. We're gonna try to hand feed some squirrels and get some really good footage of probably the ducks and all the beautiful stuff around here. So this is my local park and we got the water behind us, the beautiful lakes. So come and enjoy this wonderful pet or slash animal adventure. Also, if you guys want to see more vlogs like this, please let me know down below. Give this video a like if this is something you guys want to see more, if you guys are more interested in nature vlogs type things. So let me know down below. Okay, you guys, so I hate to be kind of a drama queen on this, but if you'll notice, sometimes when you come to the park or your local beach or something like that, if you see trash and stuff like this, I just want to raise awareness that it's never safe to be having this out in your local parks or beach. I'm actually going to take that and throw it away because it is not safe for any of the animals out here. But you really have to watch out for things like that. It's damaging to a lot of the animals that actually stay here. So if you ever see anything like that, pick it up. I'm actually going to do that right now. But yeah, it hurts the birds and any other animals sometimes, and it destroys our ecosystem, littering every day. So there are trash cans around here, and even if they're not, you really got to find a way because it is just not right. So I just want to raise awareness on that. Sorry to be a little bit of a drama queen. What? guys are watching the nature vlog, and I just wanted to interrupt it for a quick sec to open my fan mail. I did get some fan mail. If you guys want to send me anything, the P.O. box address is down below, so go ahead and send me stuff. So we are going to open this right now. And this was actually sent to me by a good fan of mine. I talk to her quite frequently sometimes, so. Okay, and then we just got some paper in here. So she drew a little dog, which is super cute. You guys can see that. Yeah, you can. It's just a little dog, and then there's a bone over there that says MJ, which is super cute. And then I think he's like in a little field there. So that's really cute. You know what, I'm totally, by the way, you guys, I'm totally gonna make some kind of small wall where I can put some of my fan art or something like that. That's really cute for all your little puppy dog lovers out there. Then there is a letter, I guess, or maybe more art, I don't know. Oh, a letter. So she said, read on camera. It says it right there, read on camera. So that's what we're gonna do. Please tell me when you receive this. Dear MJ, I'm Cordelia. You might know me as Be the Cat on Instagram. I have watched almost all your YouTube videos, and they are so fun and creative. I am 11 years old, and I own 8 pets of my own. Hoping to someday own as many as you, I am excited to find out what will happen to your fish career. Since you recently got a little puffer. Aw, that's true, we did get a little puffer, super cute. Also, with you hoping to get a dog, well, all I wanted to say is I am happy for you and your animals, and to introduce myself. Aw. And if you can, I would appreciate it if you would write back. Thanks. Your friend Cordelia. Aw, super cute. Well, thank you, Cordelia. I will definitely keep this somewhere safe and treasure it forever. Like I said, I'm probably gonna make a small wall for you guys' art or something like that, or maybe fan mail, something like that. So thank you, Cordelia. She also has a cute little emoticon there, which I think is pretty cute. So yeah, thank you so much. I just wanted to quickly open this. I love it so much. I would really appreciate it if you guys sent me more stuff, so I greatly encourage you to send me stuff to my P.O. box. Again, the address is down below. So thank you, Cordelia. By the way, just one other second thing here. If you want to buy this awesome shirt with all these pets on it, go to petadventureshop.com. We have them right now, and we also have cute little stickers, so go check those out. And yeah, back to the video. Alright, you guys, so I'm heading back home. I hope you guys enjoyed that small nature vlog. I had a really unusually close encounter with a duck there, and I got to feed a few squirrels. There was only one, unfortunately, that I got to hand feed. There were some that came really close, but you know, I'm gonna try to go more often, because I know that the more I go, the more opportunities I get to do that. So yeah, overall it was super relaxing. Sometimes the park is a good place to just get away if you need to relax. So if you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please hit that bell down below, because it will notify you every time I make a video. And again, please just give this video a big thumbs up, especially if you love pets, and I will see you guys next time.